Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subby, then make sure you subscribe, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is called Tablet Giselle. To my old subbies, I hope you're all doing fine, and I hope everyone's keeping safe and looking after themselves, especially at this time. So in today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing, kind of like a review of the things that I got from Glossybox. So I'm super excited for this one because it's their birthday edition. So I wanted to do a video and just share with you the goodies that I received in the box and what I received from Glossybox. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and please don't forget to subscribe if you've got this far into the video, and let's get started. So guys, this is what the box looks like. It's super cute. It is like a pink box with a bow, a white and black bow. I think it looks so delicious and really girly, so I really like that. I'm going to show you guys what is inside the box. So when you open it, it's got the pamphlet inside, the birthday edition pamphlet, and within the pamphlet or leaflet or little booklet, whatever you want to call it, they have all the products that are within the box and basically tell you how much each item costs if you were to buy it you know, from the retail stores. But because you're getting the Glossybox, you obviously get a bargain and you just pay for one payment. So that is the nicest thing about the Glossybox. And because as well, if you're a makeup junkie like myself and a beauty junkie, you get to, you know, keep all of these little free like travel size kind of items, and some sizes of the product that they provide you are like the full sizes. So I absolutely love that. So it just tells me what is inside, but I'm going to show you guys anyways what is in the box. And when you open it, it's like got a little tissue paper. It was kind of stuck together, but I already done a video on Insta, like a quick little unboxing, so that's why it's opened already. So when you open it, it looks like that. Super pretty. It seems like pink was definitely the color for their birthday edition, so absolutely love. The first product that is within the box is this bath and shower gel, and this is from Molton Brown. So they are a common and brand that I know myself. They sell a lot of like shower products, a lot of like massage stuff, a lot of like just spa kind of products. So really nice to have this enclosed inside the box. And this is just basically their bath and shower gel, and it's like a full-size bottle. I would probably use this when I'm traveling and I don't know whether I'm gonna have like soap or anything like that, then I'll definitely chuck this in my toilet bag. But it's super pretty. Again, I like the pink, I like the theme, which is pink. So that is normally, for retail price, it's normally £22 for the full size, but this is a mini size actually, guys. So the mini size is £7.33 worth, so which is super good. And to be honest, I feel like I wouldn't use this as much. I'd probably use it a little bit at a time, so definitely suits me well. But yeah, it retails normally at £22. The flavor for this is rhubarb and rosé, so really nice for people that, you know, like those kind of scents. Let me just open it, guys, and tell you how it smells. So it's quite a very fruity kind of scent. So if you are into fruity shower gels, then definitely this is going to be for you. Their products are absolutely amazing. The next product that is within the box is this This is shade Shiro, for anyone that wants to know what the shade of the Hudabeauty lip cream is. I'm just gonna get it to focus. But this is in the shade Shiro, Hudabeauty, and it is their matte cream lipstick. I really love Hudabeauty. I've always wanted to test these out, so having received this is definitely something super exciting, because I can add it to my makeup collection. And I like lip cream lipsticks. I really like them. I find them much more hydrating than like really matte lipsticks. So I really love this, and also love that the color of this is like a mauve color. It's like a pinkish mauve color, which is something again that I like. I normally wear a nude kind of like mauve-ish, pinkish lipstick, so I really like that this kind of meets all my expectations. This is what it looks like. It feels really soft and really hydrating. I'll have to do another video where I show you guys using it, because I've already got my lipstick on for the day. And this again normally retails for £18, so it's such a good bargain, to be honest, to have this within the box. And then the next little product is this eye boost cream, and this is their glossy, this is from their Glossybox skincare range, and this normally retails for £16. Again, definitely worth buying. I can't wait to try this, because I do suffer with puffy eyes in the morning, and I'm trying to get used to like applying eye cream products, because as you get older you definitely need to start applying those eye creams so that you don't have any little wrinkles underneath your eyes and fine lines. So I'm definitely going to be giving this a try and letting you guys know how the product is. The next little goodie that we have is this Complexion sponge, and this is from Wonder, I think it's HD Wonder or Brushworks, I think that's the name of the company. It's Brushworks, guys. So it's a HD Wonder Complexion sponge, and this normally costs £5.49. so again, good bargain, because these blending sponges are really expensive. So definitely having this as an extra added to my makeup kit, I can't complain. Again, this claims that it is like a HD complexion sponge, and that you can use it for foundation, concealer, contour, highlight. You can basically pretty much use it as a 3-in-1 sponge. So super looking forward to trying that. And this, like I said, normally retails at £5.49. It is also cruelty free and vegan, so for all you vegan lovers out there, this is definitely going to be a winner for you. And then last but not least is this lip liner from Steve Laurent, and this is their Vogue lip liner. Again, I'm such a fan of lip liners. I literally do most of my lips with lip liner and then gloss. That is literally my kind of vibe, and I will be trying this. It normally costs £12, £9, sorry guys. And again, it claims to last up to 7 hours, which is something that I'll have to see and let you guys know. Once again, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like, but it looks like the kind of colors that I like for my lip liners. I'll show you guys once I'm able to get it out. looks like a deep pink, like purpley kind of color, and definitely will give that a try. I think this would look really nice with gloss on top of it, just to make the colors pop a little bit. But this is basically what it looks like, and it's my kind of colors, because again, I'm more on the, I like pinks, nudes, those kind of colors. I just think they look better on me, and red as well. So that's what it looks like. I will actually try it with the Hudabeauty and see how that looks like. So super excited to try that. Again, I'll be adding that to my makeup collection. But that is literally it, guys, for the birthday edition from Glossybox. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will put the prices and the name of everything aside at the side of each product, so that you guys don't miss that out, and how much it costs. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a little unboxing, so something a little bit different but still fun as well, because who does not like to open up new beauty products and add them to my collection of many things that I have. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, comment, share the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Bye.